check this out. So I'm in my little quiet room. I want you guys to see this thing. This is an OTF. It's a Lightning, but it's the Grease Lightning. Shout out to Jay for letting me, he gave me this one, so it's awesome. Okay. So it's got a 7.5 inch overall length. It's 4.75 inches closed. The weight is 3.7 ounces. It's a stainless steel comb with a satin finish. Very nice. It has an aluminum handle, but so I'm in the quiet room to show this off. Listen. It has this amazing blade song to it. It is a very nice little novelty gift. But like I said, the greatest part is this. Anyway, I hope you guys like it.